In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Subway Surfer City app on Android. So if you want to install this application, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Subway Surfers City. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Subway Surfer City and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find about this application. Likewise, you can also see the ratings and reviews over here. So if you want to download it, tap on this option install that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, all you have to do is wait for a while. After a while, you can see over here it has been installed. You can simply tap on the play option and start playing this game. So like this, you'll be able to install it. So that is how you install Subway Surfer City app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.